Welcome to the Non-Tech YouTube channel. We film scenes of transporting machinery, sawing trees, accident moments, cameras, military. Hope you like it and subscribe to the channel. Hello everyone, today we're going to witness a showdown between giants. The legendary Steel 090G will face off against the mighty McCulloch 797G. Both are true powerhouses when it comes to shredding wood. But when the sawdust settles, who will emerge victorious? Great, like you guys watch and subscribe to the channel to see more impressive scenes. We always bring the most impressive stuff. Looking for a powerful yet compact device? Look no further. The TMK200 is a game changer for small-scale forestry operators. It's a cutting head capable of effortlessly handling trees with a diameter of up to 200 millimeters. Imagine it as a surgical blade for your mini excavator or tractor, making trees a million thanks to this multi-blade sorter. It cuts through wood like butter, delivering consistent results every time. The best part is that the blades are replaceable, allowing you to customize the thickness of the wood cords to your preference. Ripping entire trees in seconds. Have you ever wondered how these machines actually work? Hello, witnessing Junie, a skilled lumberjack. Demonstrating his mastery of the shark guillotine technique is truly impressive. This method focuses on making precise notches on the back of the tree to ensure a controlled fall and minimize property damage. He also uses a system of ropes and pulleys to guide the tree down safely after cutting. This additional safety measure provides better control over the direction of the tree's fall. This instructional video is essential for anyone looking to enhance their tree felling skills while prioritizing safety. Witnessing these timber harvesting machines in action is truly impressive. Their efficiency and precision are remarkable. It sparks my curiosity to experience operating one firsthand. I wonder if anyone else feels the same way. Say goodbye to those pesky tree stumps. The SP5014 TRX stump grinder is here to save the day. Like a superhero for your yard, it tackles those stumps quickly and efficiently, turning them into oblivion with ease. You'll be amazed at how much fun stump removal can be, making you wonder why you ever bothered with a shovel before. I am completely captivated by this machine as I watch it work with the CNC lathe. It feels like watching an art performance. With its incredible precision and speed in woodworking, the blades move like a dancer, producing perfect products quickly. I am genuinely excited about it. Welcome to the FiTech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. The Norwood Port Mill PM14 is a game-changing product that transforms your chainsaw and ladder into a mobile sawmill. Its compact and easy-to-install design makes it extremely versatile, allowing you to saw wood anywhere, whether deep in the forest or in your backyard. The PTO Mill PM14 opens up a world of exciting and creative DIY projects. It is an essential tool for anyone passionate about working with wood.
Welcome to the new era of video creation. Simply type your script to get started.
With an axe in hand, you can gather a bundle of firewood, but with this machine, you'll have a whole pile of wood in no time. This system is highly efficient, capable of handling large logs up to 300 millimeters in diameter and turning them into firewood in the blink of an eye. With it, splitting firewood becomes a truly enjoyable activity. Buckle up, everyone, we're about to witness a battle. Get ready for the showdown between the M923 and the tree stump.
Oh God.
Yes, you heard that right, a tree stump. Who do you think will win this epic battle? It's going to be thrilling.
Get her! Get her! Get her! Come on!
Keep on! You got it!
Drive, hit it!
Да. Yes. Yes.
Alright, everyone, let's talk about something that seriously gets my heart racing. I've always dreamed of owning one of these amazing machines. Imagine cutting down a tree in the blink of an eye, slicing it into perfect pieces. With the roar of the chainsaw and the crisp crack of the wood, it's pure adrenaline. Safety is always a top priority, and sometimes that means using big equipment. Recently, I had the opportunity to witness an impressive traffic safety operation. A powerful Fendt 942 Vario, equipped with a reversing device, was deployed to handle the situation. Alongside it, a wood chipper and a Volvo-wheeled excavator were used to remove fallen trees and roadside hazards. A series of storms had caused many trees to be uprooted and damaged, and they needed to be cleared before causing any harm or disrupting traffic. It's fantastic to see technology and skill used to protect the community. It's truly satisfying to say goodbye to bark-covered logs and welcome the Mebo RSL 112,000 bark remover. This machine is so impressive. You'll want to hug a tree after it's been stripped. Of course, it handles the job flawlessly. Efficiency combined with precision. The LT70 is not just a sawmill but a machine designed to maximize profits. The thin kerf technology means more wood and less waste. From manual handling to ultra-fast hydraulic processing, plus a CUET or PLC controls, it can adapt to any operation. The Lube Miser system is the cherry on top, keeping your saw blades clean and sharp for longer. If you're serious about milling, the LT70 is the real deal.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll go show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
This video truly took my breath away. The absolute beauty of the Black Forest is vividly showcased, and the way they capture the timber transportation process is mesmerizing. The towering trees, skilled drivers, and stunning scenery come together like a symphony of nature and human craftsmanship. I could honestly watch it all day. Great, right, you guys watch and subscribe to the channel to see more impressive scenes. We always bring the most impressive scenes to serve YouTube audience.